I'm Grace.
So let's get started.
I'm a recipe blogger, family-taught home chef,
Cheers.
Cheers.
iPhone-only photographer, and proud New Englander.
So I'm going to be honest with you. You can't find peanut sauce in the grocery store that tastes like this. But I guess you won't believe me until you make it. Man, it's good. So I gotta make Daddy proud today because this is his peanut sauce recipe and I really didn't make any adjustments at all because there really doesn't need to be adjustments. It's so good. So I have here some peanut butter, some smooth peanut butter, and this is the base for our Thai peanut sauce. I realized this isn't open. Okay, so we're going to add this peanut butter right on into the blender. Smooth PB is good. You want to steer away from the natural stuff that separates because you don't want just a puddle of oil or a puddle of solid peanuts. I have here half of a red onion. It looks like a lot, but it really isn't once this blends all together. So I'm gonna pop that in. And garlic. Love me some garlic in really anything. Dad, nice job. And then ginger. So this is a nice Thai peanut sauce. So I'm gonna use fresh ginger. You really can't get any substitute for fresh ginger for that beautiful taste. All I do is I just kind of take my knife and I'm just going to shave off the outside of our ginger. If you prefer, you could use a veggie peel instead of a knife like me. And then you just want to take your ginger, take the part that you shaved off, and then all I do is I just kind of like roughly just chop this guy. You want about a tablespoon of fresh chopped ginger. So I just ran my knife through it, and I'm gonna take all my ginger and just pop it right into the blender. Everything's going in the blender. And then I have some hoisin, and hoisin sauce is really a blend of a bunch of things, but it really yields a nice Asian flavor, a nice Thai flavor. Then I'm going to add in some soy sauce, and this is going to give our peanut sauce a nice umami taste. Dad loves that word. And of course, a nice saltiness, because we're not gonna add salt into this, just soy. Then, this is my husband Eric's least favorite thing in the world, ketchup. But he doesn't even know that it's in this recipe. Well, actually now he does, because he's behind the camera, but I don't think he minds because it's so good. And then just a little bit of sesame oil. And sesame oil really is just going to give this a nice little underlying sesame taste and just kind of stretch out your peanut sauce so it's not quite as thick. And I have a little bit of rice wine vinegar, and that's going to add a nice puckery tartness to this. And then our last ingredient, and look at this. Eric, it's in your future. Is a little bit of cayenne pepper. And, oh, I think I just messed the blender. Just a little. You can add as much as you want, but a little bit of this goes a long way. And then all I wanna do is just pop this on. I'm gonna have to push that onion down a little bit somehow. And then just blend it together until it's nice and smooth. Blast off. You can see there's a bunch of stuff on the side of your blender. You just wanna knock all that down and then blend it again until everything's incorporated. So, a good chef always tries. I don't even know what it is, but this peanut sauce is drinkable. Right back to childhood. I bet you're jealous. Grilled pork tenderloin from the last video with peanut sauce. My dad's favorite combo. He knows what's up. Check this out on tastefullygrace.com. You won't regret it. Nuts. Nuts. nuts, it's nuts, it's nuts, it's nuts.